In this short video, I'm going to show you how to change shape color in Wix. For this tutorial, I'm going to be changing the color of this shape right here. As you can see, it is black. Now, bear in mind that it doesn't matter what type of shape you have, how big or small it is, or what color you want to change it to. The process is exactly the same. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix editor and find the shape that you want to change the color of. Like I said, in my case, I'm going to be changing the color of this black shape right here to a red, let's say. So the first thing you want to do is click on the shape to highlight it, and then either below or above it, as it is in my case, you will see a bunch of different options that you can choose from. I want you to click on this pencil icon right here that says design, and then the very first option that you will see is fill color. As you can see, in my case, it's black. If I just click on this color box right here, I could choose any other color that I want my shape to be. Like I said, I want it to be red, so I'm going to choose red right here. But if you want it to be a more unique color, click on add right here, and then you can choose the exact color of your shape. Once you're happy with it, click on apply, then exit out of it to change, to save your changes. And then let's preview the website and see the changes being reflected. And as you can see, our shape is now red and no longer black. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to change the color of a shape in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.